times. So in this tutorial or in this lecture, we are going to develop a StreamLit application which will show us some cool animations from Lottie. And yeah, that's the website. So basically, I'll just show you the website. It's this one. So you can just go here and you can search for any animations you would like to add in your application, in your StreamLit application. And basically then I will walk you through how to add those applications in the or those animations or those images inside your StreamLit app to look it a bit cool and to change the background and to change the UI and look and feel of the application. So basically what we have to do here is we just have to go and select whichever animation you like or you feel that it's good, and then just download the file. And like what you need is you need the lottie.json file. So you need this lottie.json file, and once that is downloaded, you need to save that in a folder, in your folder. So you just need to create a directory here saying this directory is Lottie, and it will store the movie files. And what I can do is I can just go here and from the JSON file. This was a hello.json, so I'll just copy this and I will paste it here, and I'll paste it here in the file, in the folder Lottie files. So I guess I already have those, so I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here. This was our application. It was a StreamLit number, so I'll just paste them here. It's asking me to replace. I'll just replace it, and we have those files here now. So those are the files now. We can create the application file, that is app.py, and not on this folder. We just have to create the application outside the folder. So not this. So we can create it somewhere here outside app.py. Yeah, that is outside. Started with the application now. So here what we are going to do here is importing StreamLit, because it's a StreamLit application. So on the web application we are going to display the cool JSON, cool emoticons or cool GIFs. So all the images. So let's get started now. Import StreamLit as st. Okay, as st, and we are going to import the JSON, because these files, if you see, these files are .json extension, so we are going to need that. Then we have import requests. So we'll have requests, and StreamLit has this like cool library called StreamLit Lottie. So it's StreamLit underscore, if you see here, Lottie. I will import st underscore, and it's st underscore, or sorry, yeah, it's from StreamLit underscore Lottie. I will just import st underscore Lottie, st underscore Lottie. Yeah, that's it. Now for the first function, what we'll do is we'll just load the Lottie file, or the Lottie hello coding and hello and the coding one. So we'll have to create a function. So creating a function, straightforward, underscore Lottie, and so yeah, you can name this function as anything. I'll just naming this as Lottie file, and the file path is file and then the file path will be, so we'll be just giving the path in a moment. So we are just denoting this as file path, the parameters str, uh, that's str, and after that we'll just write with open, uh, we just include the file path as r, we are reading that, and it as f, so just reading that, and what we'll do is we'll return the json.load, okay, return, and we'll return what, json.load f, yeah, that's it. And now what we do is from the URL, if you get so if the URL gets loaded properly, so we are like def load. So this is another function which has Lottie and then URL. So we are loading the Lottie file from the URL. So here we accept the URL as an str again, string, and we have r is equals to requests dot get, and what do we pass here? We pass the URL here. Now for checking it, now if we check, like if r dot, so that's a request, right? So if r dot status code, if that status code is not equal to, so this means not equal to 200, what we have to do is we'll return none, we'll return, so we'll return none, okay, there's a lag in between, I don't know why, that will return none, and else, okay, that's not implemented, return none, and if not, we'll just return the r.json. So returning r.json, that's it. Now what we need is we need the Lottie hello and the Lottie coding, two variables just created, Lottie underscore hello, and that is equal to we are loading the file, so it's load, so you're using those functions to load the, to get the path basically. So what does it accept? It accepts the path, right? So we just pass it, and so what was the first function is load Lottie file, and that's the file path. And what we need is, so we need two variables, right? So because there are two, and we have another one is Lottie underscore coding is equals to, and then we have the another, no, the same function, no, the same function, that's load underscore Lottie and file, Lottie file, and then here what, sorry, so here what do we pass? We pass the path of these two. So we just get the copy path for coding, we just paste the path here, and for hello.json we just copy the path and we paste it here. That's it. Now the basic coding for the StreamLit application, like we have not coded anything for the StreamLit app as such, like for our web app. So we just have just mention our title first. So we'll use the title method, and we'll just give it a title, full title, that is let's say Lottie file app. Okay, let's keep it like this, and the method, that is st underscore Lottie. So the method which we had, this method which we had coded, now we'll use that. And which files do you want to display? First is you want to display like first one is hello, and the second one would be Lottie coding. So we have the variables created here, so we just have to paste that variable here, and st.lottie, we have the variable here. Then it will basically come up with something like speed. So because it has it is a GIF, so it has speed is equals to 1 and 10. speed is equals to 1 comma, then you have reverse. So these GIFs are like, if you want them to run in reverse, so we'll keep that as false. And then you have loop is equals to true, so it will be continuously running in a loop, so we have a loop as true. And we need quality to be low, because high quality generally it hampers the speed of the application, and the application becomes too heavy. So let's keep it low. uh, yeah, so even if it's low, it's not a big deal. Like, we need the height and width. GIGHT height is equals to, we have none, and okay, it's none. Okay. And we have the width, and the width is equals to none as well. So I don't know why this height is not taking GHT. Yeah, it's spelling out GHT. So it's HT here, height none, and the last one is key. So that key is also none. So key is equals to none. That's it. So, like, basically what we can do is we can have the same thing copied and pasted here below, and then just change this function, or this variable, sorry, to Lottie hello, Lottie underscore hello, and that's it. So we just need to save this app or this file, and run our StreamLit application. So don't worry, this file which is there, I'll be attaching it without the parts. I'll be attaching this in the code, in the lecture. So let's just run the application now. StreamLit, and then run app.py. So as you run it, and as the application boots up, what we are going to see is that there'll be two cool hello and coding GIFs or images placed on the application. Just let it run. Okay, it's up. Yes, it's up. So we open a web page on its own. That's it. And if you see, it has already selected a port for us, local host. It's running on my machine right now, and so you can change the background as you like. Now it's taking a bit longer to boot up. So that's a Lottie file app, or whatever we had thought of. Okay, and yes, that's it. So that's the component which we have added. That's the coding component, and this is the hello component which we've added here for our StreamLit application. And many more cool projects and many more cool applications to be coming up. Happy learning!